G'day YouTube. This is my temporary motor test setup. I like to get my motion control sorted before I build a machine. Yeah, the old machine's totally stripped down in pieces. We're going to replace basically every part except for the Z-axis linear actuator. We're going over to these closed loop stepper motors. We have to upgrade to this Ethernet board. I'll do a video later on how to hook these up. They're very easy, don't get put off, and they have a big advantage of they can get more clock pulses to your drivers over the parallel port. The parallel port is great, it's cheap, but it has speed limitations, and it really, if you want to run these closed loop steppers on the parallel port, you won't get the full performance. You'll be running in limp mode. Also got the USB card. I'm sort of halfway through nutting that one out. But the Ethernet card, easy to do, works like a charm. So we'll be hooking that up. It's got a few extra outputs and inputs, so you can drive more relays and have more switches and stuff. So we've tested this Mac Drive's parallel card on both Linux CNC and Mac 3. It's all good. We're changing over to a 400 watt spindle. Now bear in mind the small machine I'm building is just an engraving mill. It does a little bit of aluminium work, and I only need this little 400 watt spindle on the small machine. I've got a couple of bigger spindles for the big machine I'm building, so you'll see me over the next couple of weeks put together 2 CNC machines. They're really easy. There's a lot of learning to do, steep learning curve, or you can follow videos and just do it, you know, point to point. It's pretty easy. Yeah, so I just thought I'd update you on my progress. All the motors are working. I'll see if I can see. Listen to that. Listen to how quiet that motor is compared to a stepper. That's a big one. That's my Y-axis. I'll be actually having 2 of those monsters on the Y-axis on the big machine. And that's my X-axis. On the big machine I'll be having a NEMA 34 on the X-axis. And I might even have a NEMA 34 on the Z. I might have an all NEMA 34 machine. But on the small engraving mill, I will just be sticking to NEMA 23s. Yeah, so that's the progress. Got a bit of a temporary setup here, just like I said, getting the motion control sorted out first, and we'll see how we go. But if you're interested, like, subscribe, hang around, see what goes on. I'll try and post a video as often as possible. As soon as I get a bit more progress, I'll keep you updated. Cheers, have a great day.